Hey everybody, I have placed an order somewhere, and so I thought you guys always like these unboxing videos. I don't know if this one's going to be super exciting. I'm excited about it, but let me show you what I got. So this is from the lovely Paula McCoy at Colors for Earth, and I ordered from Paula well, a few different things. So this is probably going to be the brushes. I ordered some brushes from her to do some technique that I have been eager to try, and she keeps showing off. If you're not familiar with Paula McCoy at Colors for Earth, yes, here are the brushes that I ordered. Paula has a wonderful website with enamels and products for glass. She also does a lot of pottery and ceramics work, but she has great glass products. Her website, Colors for Earth, is in my link tree, so make sure that you go to my link tree. That's where I'm dumping all of my links these days, because it just makes it easier for both of us, for me and for you. And so Paula's website, colorsforearth.com. But if you don't follow Paula on YouTube, you really should, because that's where she really shows off the magic of all the stuff that she has. And so I am smitten with the idea around what I bought in here, and I'm eager to dive in and work on it. So anyway, I got some brushes here that I will use on this piping paste. So I bought some white piping paste, and it is going to be nearly impossible for me to explain to you what you can do with this, which is why you have to go to Paula's website, or excuse me, her YouTube, and check it out. But I got a jar of white, and then I also bought, she has black. That piping paste is in white and black. I'm specifically going to use the black for a project. And she has a kit that both were sold in as well. So now it's an unboxing of an unboxing, but this is her piping paste kit, which is a great value and has a lot of what you need in here. Here's a flyer about the piping paste. So that's the other thing about ordering from Paula. There's always such great literature that helps you understand what you have and what you can do with it. So here's a whole flyer about piping paste. What Paula's been doing is creating texture using this, and that's what I'm most excited about. And so this kit has what you need. It's got some medium in here. Here's the black piping paste. I think there's another jar of white. And so the white you can tint, which is why I got 2 jars, so you can end up creating colors using her other products. Again, it's not going to make sense for me to try to explain this. You just have to go check out Paula's YouTube and see what she's been doing with it. And then here's some bottles, needle bottles and stuff that you can use as well for a certain technique. I'm not going to use those for what I'm going to do, but I am going to use this black. So stay tuned to my channel for an upcoming video where I hope to feature this correctly, and you can see how I plan to use it. And there you go, colorsforearth.com, or find my link tree and find her in there. Definitely make sure you check out her YouTube, see what she's doing with this piping paste. It's really cool stuff that I haven't really seen in the glass world before. Hope everybody's doing well. Catch you later. Bye-bye.